Welcome to the program Improving Thinking Skills the M.M. Patel Way. In this program, we will understand concepts related to thinking skills, measurement of thinking skills using well-defined parameters, methods and techniques of improving thinking skills, and finally, exercises to improve thinking skills. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos. In this part, we are going to discuss random association method for improving thinking skills. We have already discussed mind map, 5W2H questioning and fishbone diagram. Now we come to random association method. In this method, we take two topics or two words and we move from one topic to the another by creating random relationships. Let us understand random association using one example. Here we take two random words. Starting with one, we keep on writing connecting words till we reach the second word. Let us take two words, glass and life, and let us create the connections. Glass, full, liquid, dirty, filter, process, kneading, bread, food and life. Alternatively, we start with glass and move like this: glass, mirror, comb, head, knowledge, invent, seeds, corn, food and life. We can also move like this: glass, design, dress, shirt, tailor, scissor, cut, crop, food and life. There are other methods like glass, top, fill, measure, petrol, truck, driver, eat, food and life. Next, glass, present, costly, diamond, color, rainbow, rain, farming, crop and life. Next, glass, clean, house, people, father, man, work, money, buy, food and life. There are many possible ways like glass, like, beauty, lady, model, professional, earning, buying, food and life. Glass, long, bottom, tray, table, wood, fire, cook, food and life. Glass, round, face, dry, cream, white, milk, cake, food and life. This technique will open up our thinking faculty. We would start seeing connections between two apparently unrelated topics or problems. Our relating ability will get strengthened by this method. Indirectly, we will improve our presence of mind too. The classic example of relating is the movie Slumdog Millionaire. The reality show Kaun Banega Crorepati is related to the hero, and all the questions were related to hero's life, and he was getting answers of all the questions from his past experiences. You will recall that hero was not very highly literate. We can make random association diagram as shown below. We start with a topic and we find out associative word and we create one branch then we create another branch, then we create third branch, then we create fourth branch, and we keep on creating branches like this. Let us use this type of diagram for a practical example. An example of random association is shown below. We start with the word milk. White, color, look, visual, and lovely. Milk, white, black, night, and sleep. Milk, cow, obey, order, king, and queen. From order, we can start as follow, reason, and profit and loss. We again start with milk, milk, liquid, shape, flat. We start with liquid and we write liquid, flow, slow, mind, think, speak, loud, and music. Now let us see an example of random association method for problem solving. The problem is design a chair using random word milk. Now we start with milk, milk, cow, obey, order, king, and strong. So our chair should be strong. Milk, white, black, night, and sleep. We should be able to sleep on the chair. White, color, look, visual, information. The table should have attachment to give us informations. We start with order, follow, reason, loss, profit, and less cost. So our chair should not be very costly. We start with milk again, milk, liquid, shape, and curves. Our chair should have beautiful curves. We come to liquid, liquid, flow, slow, mind, think, speak, loud, and musical. So our chair should have some attachment for musical instruments, or it should be a musical chair. Now, using these characteristics, if you design a chair, it will be a real creative chair. Now let us see examples for relating and unrelating. Find the odd words out of the following 4 words given. You may consider characteristics, functions, uses, sources, etc. to relate and unrelate. Example 1 is sword, kite, wheat, and monkey. The answer could be sword as it uses metal. The answer could be monkey as it is a living being. The answer could be kite because it is used for playing. The answer could be wheat because it is eatable. Now you can repeat the exercise with the words book, tiger, glass, and power. Lantern, credit, computer, and table. Later, bathroom, mango, and play. Rain, internet, plane, and boxing. We will have one more exercise for relating and unrelating on similar lines. Make 2 pairs out of the following 4 words given. Again, you may consider characteristics, functions, uses, sources, etc. for the words. The first set is sword, kite, wheat, and monkey. The answer could be wheat and monkey because monkey eats item made of wheat. The answer could be sword and kite because sword and kite are used for competition. You can repeat the exercise for the following sets: book, tiger, glass, and power. Lantern, credit, computer, and table. Later, bathroom, mango, and play. Rain, internet, plane and boxing. The discussion on improving thinking skills, concept and techniques will be followed by more than 20 sets of exercises. You will find many exercises where you need to use random association method. I would suggest you to use the technique sincerely and seriously. Then only it will be possible for you to derive the maximum possible benefit. I am not saying you complete all the exercises. The better course will be you develop reasonable expertise and use that expertise in the areas relevant to you. That will give you a very good practical insight. That will also motivate you to use the technique for your benefit. Read the books by following 3 authors: Tony Buzan, Edward de Bono and Pradeep Khandwala. Visit www.youtube.com and search Maganlal Patel for more videos on improving thinking skills the MM Patel way.